This week on The DeShaman Show.
So, hey everyone, Lachi here. I am she, her. I'm a Black woman with cornrows, and that is Lachi like Versace. I identify as blind and neurodivergent and Aries and a New Yorker. I'm a daughter of Nigerian immigrants, so we got all of that energy going through us. And today I am in my studio. I got two pianos behind me. I'm wearing a red shirt with white puffy earrings, and I have my glam cane in the background. Clap for her, she gets jealous. And I'm just really, really excited to be here today with you folks. And DeShaman, thank you so much for inviting me.
Oh, the pleasure is all mine.
Catch up on The DeShaman Show. Available now on Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, and Facebook. And stream us live every Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern on all social media platforms.